Hello, third graders, and welcome back. Today we're doing Unit 4, Lesson 8, and that's on page 241. So go ahead, grab your paper and a pencil, and let's go. Okay, so yesterday we introduced a couple of different methods to do multi-digit addition, making new groups of 10, making new groups of 100. I know many of you have a preference, and I'm asking that you just, in these couple of lessons, give these other methods a chance, give them a shot, and then later in the rest of your life, you can stick with the one you like the most. But I want you to try these ones out and do what I'm asking you to do, because that's really the whole point of these lessons. So we talked about the new groups above method, which is the one you're probably most familiar with, where you have that new 10 up top. New groups below is very similar. And then there's the show all totals, where you write the total number of hundreds, the total number of tens, the total number of ones, and then add those up. And then in addition to those methods, we talked about the proof drawing, which we're going to keep doing today. So let's go ahead and get started. It says to solve each problem using a numerical, which is like a number-based method, and a proof drawing. So we'll do both. We're going to go ahead for these ones, and let's say we'll do the show all totals, and then for this we'll do new groups below. And I'm choosing those two because I'm pretty sure most of us are more comfortable using new groups above, and I want to give us that practice, okay? Okay, so there are 359 cars and 245 trucks in the parking garage. How many vehicles are in the garage? So our label that comes after how many is vehicles. Okay, I think I said we'll do show all totals and then new groups below, right? So 359 plus 245. So we're going to start with our hundreds. So 300 plus 200 is 500. Then we'll do our tens. 5 tens plus 4 tens, 50 plus 40 is 90. And then 9 ones plus 5 ones is 14. Adding all those up, 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4 ones. 0 tens plus 9 tens plus 1 more 10 is 10 tens. That 10th 10 joins the hundreds place because 10 tens is 100. And so 500 plus 100 is 600. Now let's go ahead and draw that in picture form, all right? So 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 359 plus 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now to add these up, we're looking to see, starting at our ones, how many new groups of 1, 10, and hundreds we have. Here I can see I can just scoop that little 1 in there. So now I have a new group of 10, and that leaves me with 4 ones. So 4 ones. And I'm just putting this underneath because I noticed I was having a hard time fitting it when I did it on the other page. Just labeling it. So I have my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. Just to label my place values, okay? So then I have 1 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all of these together, including that new one, make that new 100. So now I have 0 tens, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. So 6 hundreds, 0 tens, 4 ones, 604 vehicles. All right. I was petting my neighbor's cat today, and my nose is a little bit itchy. The next one, if you're feeling good, give it a shot. If you'd like to stay with me, stay with me. The Creepy Crawler exhibit at the Science Museum has 693 spiders and 292 centipedes. How many spiders and centipedes are there in all? So, we're gonna write spiders and centipedes, and then we'll write our addition equation. 693, 292, and then we're gonna go ahead and show all totals. So 600 plus 200 is 800. 90 plus 90 is 180, or 9 tens plus 9 tens is 18 tens, and then 3 plus 2 is just 5. So then we have 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 8 is 8, and then 8 plus 1 is 900. Okay, now let's go ahead and do picture form. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. That's that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now our next number, 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 1, 2. And just like I did before, I'm gonna label these my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. Okay, so let me get my cap on my pen. And then here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, no group of 10, so I'm just gonna leave that there. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna scoop this one right there like that. And, oh, I should be using the purple. I'm sorry. Scoop that there. And that'll join our hundreds place, leaving us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens, right? And then my hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900. Right. Let's do number 3 on Saturday. Now this time we're going to do the new groups below, okay? On Saturday, let's change to blue too. 590 people went to the art museum. On Sunday, 355 people went to the museum. How many people all went to the museum all together? So people is our label. Peoply. Okay. Let's add these up. Okay, so we got 590 and 355. Putting my line a little bit lower so I have the space. Okay, 0 ones plus 5 ones is 5 ones. 9 tens plus 5 tens is 14 tens. That 10 tens joins the hundreds place. And then 500 plus 300 is 800, plus one more is 900. Okay. Picture form, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, and 0 ones. Next number, 100, 200, 300, and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. How many ones? How many tens? How many hundreds? We have simply just these 5 ones. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I should use my blue. And I'm going to scoop this one in here. Whoop. Now I have 10 tens, which is called 100. So then that leaves me with 4 tens. And then counting my hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hundreds. 945 people. All right. If you're feeling good about this new groups below method, give it a shot on this one. Otherwise, stay with me. There were 120 people on the ferry yesterday. Today, the ferry had 767 people. How many people in all were on the ferry during the past 2 days? Our label, once again, is people. And then we're going to add these up. So 120 plus 767, line right there. 0 plus 7 is just 7. 2 tens plus 6 tens is 8 tens. And then 7 and 100 together are 800. Now for this one, there was no new groups, but it's fine because there wasn't any reason to make a new group. Let's go ahead and do picture form. 120. That was an easy picture, huh? And then this one's a bit of a doozy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. And then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then our ones, tens, and hundreds, we have 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hundreds. Just the same, 887 people. All right. Flip that over. Here we go again with our puzzle penguin. Remember, puzzle penguin, he's doing great for a penguin, but he's always wrong. So if you're thinking that he's right, you've probably made the same mistake that he's made. We do want to be respectful and polite to him, though. Dear math students, today I found the answer for 168 plus 78. But I don't know if I added correctly. Please look at my work. Is my answer right? If not, please correct my work and tell me what I did wrong. Your friend, Puzzled Penguin. So take a moment. Look what he did. When you're ready for the answer, hit play. But you can pause it right now if you're thinking about it and give him a suggestion. Okay, here we go. So I'm noticing here he did not line his numbers up correctly. His ones place should have been right here, and his tens place should have been there. So he should have had it like 168 plus 78, and then 8 plus 8 is 16, and then 6 tens plus 7 tens is 13 tens plus 1 more, so 14. So he's off by like 700. Poor guy. Okay, so we'll say oopsie daisies. You forgot to line up your ones with ones, tens with tens, and hundreds with hundreds. Whoops. Okay, so now we're going to practice exactly that. If you're still writing, pause, keep writing, and then hit play when you're ready. Next one. We're doing exactly what he did. We're lining things up vertically. So, and we're going to make proof drawing. 179, putting my 8 ones beneath my 9 ones, and 10 beneath them. 3 10s. I'm so sorry, guys. Sorry about that. It's good we're doing school online, huh? Okay, so 9 plus 8 is 17. So I'll do a new group above this time. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 3 more is 11. My hundreds there, 200. So my proof drawing, 100, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then for my 38, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab this one. So we have our 7 ones, and then that joins our tens place. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all those together make a new 100, leaving us with 110, and then 200. So 217. Okay. Next one, lining things up correctly. 650 plus 345. We'll do a new groups below. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Oh, no new groups on this one. 6 plus 100 is also 9. I'm going to do my picture down below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leaving us again with 5 ones, 9 tens, and hundreds, and 95. Sorry about that. Here we go. 407 and 577. 7 plus 7 is 14. 0 tens plus 7 tens plus 4 is 8. And then 400 plus 500 is 900. And we'll do our drawing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to scoop these 3, and that makes a 10 there. So we have 4 ones. This 10 joins the tens place, and now we have 8 tens, and we have 9 hundreds. So 984. All right, my friends, that's it for today. Go ahead and check out if there's an assignment, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.